Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Power 3S, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we begin, we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. Now this thing comes provided with a device somewhere in a box, so you can find it in there, or you can also use a paper clip. And from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. And from here, push it in, the tray will pop out. And here you have space for SD card and SIM card, so place each one accordingly. Like so. And then slide it back into the device. So I'm gonna actually grab the phone, because there's nothing really holding those cards in place. There we go. And we should now see a pin for the SIM cards, so let's confirm that. And I don't want to update it. And also the SD card is ready. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.